Good morning, YouTubers. I'm going to make Isabella's favorite French toast this morning. We're going to need some eggs. We have farm fresh eggs from our chicks. I'm only making this for Isabella, so I only need one egg. But if you're making it for more than one person, you're going to want at least 2 to 3 eggs. Once I crack my egg, farm fresh eggs are just always so yellow. And scramble that up. And a little bit of milk. Use whole milk. And the milk amount there was probably maybe a 1/3 cup at most. Or to be safe, I would go with maybe 3 tablespoons, maybe actually. Okay, next we're going to take our cinnamon and be pretty liberal with our cinnamon. So I got about a tablespoon of cinnamon. The griddle is preheated to about 350. I'm going to take some nutmeg and sprinkle about a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, just a little bit. I'm going to take some white granulated sugar and pour that in, at least 1 tablespoon. I'm going to add some imitation vanilla, about a teaspoon of that. Then we're going to blend all that in. The yellow will become more of a brown. Now we're ready. Add our cooking spray. In Michigan, we have a company called Aunt Millie's that goes throughout the Midwest, and the country buttermilk bread is what we like best from Aunt Millie's. So I'm going to put this slice in and coat it well. Put it on the pan. I'm going to turn that heat down to about 300. That was a little hotter than I would like. And so the 1 egg will yield us 2 slices of French toast, maybe 2.5. So, when you're making this 1 egg, of this 1 medium to large size egg will yield you at least 2 slices. So if you're making 6 slices, you need about 3 eggs. Alright. So now just keep an eye on these and waiting them to cook about halfway through. Keep an eye on the edges. Take a little peek underneath each one, and it looks like they're ready to be flipped. Okay, and now we're going to take some real butter that I melted and drizzle that on there. Right away as soon as you flip it. And we're going to take some light brown sugar and add about a tablespoon. Sprinkle that, it's just your desired amount. Let that caramelize. If you don't want to go through the trouble of melting a real butter stick, you can just use some spray butter. You want to take the easy way out and just spray it on like that. Okay, as soon as this other side has a good brown color, you're able to remove them. It's getting very close, so I'll give you just enough time to rinse the brown sugar off the hand. We like to use Mrs. Butterworth as our main syrup if we don't have real maple syrup from a farm. And that's what I'm going to drizzle on top once it's on the plate. Drizzle some maple syrup, back, forth, back, forth. Now it's all done. Mine is just cutting it up for her and adding her bacon. Isabella's French toast.
Is it yummy good?
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing Daddy makes? French toast?
I hope you enjoyed the French toast. If you like it, please hit like, leave a friendly comment, subscribe, all those good things.